I take in new hair from the front here, I'm gonna make sure that as soon as I put it under, I'm kind of pulling the whole braid towards my forehead, because I want to make sure it doesn't slide up too far back. It's really easy for me to make it go all the way back here, and I want to make sure to keep it in the front. I'm not there yet where I can keep like braid it really like along my forehead, but I'm trying to have it be as far to the front as possible. So I want to make sure like while I'm braiding, I'm kind of checking in on that part.
Your sin was letting me and getting me in your spell. Our sin was following a love that could not.
And okay, so this is the part where I kind of move around. I change my arm, that was like here, and bring it forward. And this is where I kind of check in the mirror before I keep braiding. I'm like, okay, which one's next? And then I can see, oh yeah, it's this one.